Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Bitrate here, and today's video I will show you the best 4K video settings in Filmora video editing software. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do, after you open up your Filmora video editing software, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, go to File, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, and then click on Project Settings, and this is going to pop up. Now, by default, what we have right here is this, which has to do with 16:9 windscreen by default, and we have 1:1 Instagram layout. We have 9:16 portrait, 4:3 standard, 3:4 business, 21:9 cinema, and 4:5 vertical. What you need to do to create a very high quality 4K video setting in Filmora is to simply click on Costume right here, and it takes you right here. Now, what you want to do here is that you can click on the kind of ratio you want. So if you want to create 4K video setting for widescreen, simply choose on widescreen. Or if you want to create 4K video for Instagram, choose Instagram or any of the sizes right here. So as for me, I'm okay with the widescreen right here, which is 16:9 widescreen. Then the next thing we want to do is to simply click on the resolution right here, and we make sure we switch to 4K UHD. So select on that, leave everything the way it is. Then the next thing you want to do is to come here, lock the aspect ratio. This simply means that the video aspect ratio will not exceed 16:9 ratio. Then you can come to the frame rate right here, choose 30%, choose 30 FPS. Then come to the camera color you want. As far as this is concerned, you can choose HDR. Then next thing you want to do is to simply hit on OK. Then, so it is found that the current device does not satisfy the condition for GPU acceleration, and there may be color difference during preview. Simply click on OK right here, and boom, you are done. With that, you have set up higher resolution 4K best video editing production with Filmora 13 software. You can see all your settings from the sidebar right here. So basically, this is how to set 4K best video editing in Filmora 13 video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.